Crypto Rewards credit cards are the newest incentive-style payment option. It rewards users with cryptocurrency as a substitute for cashback. These cards can be rewarding for varying degrees of crypto enthusiasts, from the crypto-curious person to those deep into crypto. Crypto Rewards credit cards are the newest tool popping up in the field of digital currencies, and so far the rewards incentives look pretty attractive, and even more so if cryptocurrencies continue to gain value at the rapid rate they are gaining today. But what exactly are Crypto Rewards credit cards? Welcome to Crypto's Journey. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you wouldn't miss out on new updates in the world of crypto investing. So what exactly are Crypto Rewards credit cards? Crypto Rewards credit cards are really no different than most traditional rewards credit cards. Just like the majority of credit cards in circulation, transactions are conducted through the world's largest payment processing networks. This means that if your Crypto Rewards card is issued by Visa, your card will be accepted everywhere Visa credit cards are accepted. Depending on their processing network, Crypto Rewards cards can also be eligible for benefits and card protections offered by Visa or MasterCard. You can use a Crypto Rewards card for purchases, just like any traditional credit card. And just like a traditional rewards earning card, each time you spend with your Crypto Rewards credit card, you will often be eligible to earn cash back. While some credit cards offer airline miles or cash back, crypto credit cards offer rewards in the form of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Some cards also allow you to redeem your earnings for cryptocurrency. Now let's take a look at the top-performing crypto card. Swipe is a company which offers a host of cryptocurrency-related services, including a multi-currency wallet, cryptocurrency payment solutions for merchants, cryptocurrency borrowing, and cryptocurrency savings. They also offer cryptocurrency cards that is issued in partnership with Binance. The Swipe cryptocurrency card lets you purchase using cryptocurrency directly without manual conversion. The card requires you to stake Swipe's SXP token to receive the progressively more lucrative rewards, which include 100% rebates for Spotify, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and Apple Music, and 10% discounts at Travala, Starbucks, Airbnb, and Uber. One of the selling points of Swipe's cryptocurrency card is the cashback rewards, which are as high as 5% and are paid in Bitcoin. All cards also offer contactless, NFC payments, ATM withdrawals, and lucrative referral rewards of up to $3,000. You are even able to use a digital version of the card with just your phone and can use the digital Swipe card everywhere that Google Pay and Apple Pay are accepted. Another benefit is that the SXP blockchain utilizes the DPoS, or Delegated Proof of Stake Consensus, popularly known as staking. There can only be 53 delegates operating and maintaining the blockchain network. The delegates, or node operators, are chosen by the voters who are able to choose which delegate they prefer to operate and maintain the network. By being a voter, you don't need any technical knowledge in order to earn from forging fees. Although Swipe has only been around for just over 2 years, its list of accomplishments is quite remarkable. All of these are listed on their Medium page, and most of them have occurred just over the past few months. These include launching the Swipe wallet just 1 month after Swipe launched, integrating Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, being purchased by Binance, partnering with Chainlink and Elrond, and launching their staking testnet. Swipe's future milestones include expanding their services into other regions, notably Southeast Asia, North America, Latin America, and Africa. They also plan to make the upcoming DeFi applications on the Swipe network accessible via their mobile app. In a recent AMA, COO John Kenneth noted that exact dates will not be provided for when Swipe expects to achieve these future goals. Several algorithm-based forecasting services have predicted a price surge for Swipe SXP. Wallet Investor estimated the average price of SXP to reach $1.09 in 12 months' time. Its 5-year SXP-USD projection suggested it could drop to $0.036 in 2027. According to Digital Coin's SXP prediction was the price could hit an average of $1.23 in 2022 $1.04 in 2023, $1.09 in 2025, and $4.03 in 2030. Similarly, Price Prediction believed the average price of SXP could be $1.72 in 2022, $5.72 in 2025, and as high as $34 in 2030. In what may be a first for cryptocurrency, Swipe has successively delivered functioning products to its consumer base. Whether it is the Swipe wallet or Swipe's cryptocurrency debit cards, it seems that you are guaranteed to get a reliable product so long as it has the company's name and logo attached to it. It seems Swipe has done everything right, and this is precisely why Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao purchased Swipe. The Swipe network is an ecosystem of DeFi applications and protocols, which is currently in development. These include SwipeSwap, Swipe Finance, SwipeFi, Swipe Staking, and Swipe Governance. SXP cryptocurrency holders will have governance over all dApps on the Swipe network. The SXP cryptocurrency token has rebranded itself as Solar. Solar, SXP, is an open-source Layer 1 blockchain for decentralized peer-to-peer payments. It runs on a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and is governed by a DAO. Solar's block producers are called delegates and secure the blockchain through a vote-based system using the native SXP coins. Solar lays its focus on creating a community-driven blockchain, which will one day be comparable to blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. To achieve this ambitious goal, Solar overhauled its previous ecosystem called Swipe and developed a new testnet and mainnet under the guidance of a new team, which is controlled by a DAO. In the first quarter of 2022, Solar has been able to tick off a few significant milestones on its roadmap. Its mainnet went operational on March 28, 2022, after several months of testing on the DevNet. It released a new set of desktop wallets for its peer-to-peer payment system. Solar deployed the Solar Side Ledger Protocol, which allows users to create the Solar equivalents of ERC20 tokens and NFTs. The SXP coin is used for transactions on this platform. Staking on the mainnet has been enabled. The first set of 53 delegates to secure the blockchain was chosen. Future development will focus on improving governance and increasing interoperability between Solar and other ecosystems. The pillar of Solar's ecosystem is its delegated proof-of-stake blockchain called Solar Core. It is a fork of the Arc blockchain that promises to be fast, modular, sustainable, efficient, and fully decentralized. However, Solar differs from Arc by fully utilizing Schnorr signatures, resulting in improved privacy for users. In its DPoS consensus mechanism, 53 delegates operate as nodes responsible for securing and maintaining the Solar blockchain. Block production is split into rounds and blocks. Each round consists of 53 blocks, and each delegate submits one block per round. The time of block submission on Solar is 8 seconds, and thus considerably faster than blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but slower than a chain like Solana. The Solar roadmap outlines how the ecosystem plans to develop in 2022. For the last quarter of 2022, Solar plans to implement several key milestones, such as the release of its mobile and web wallets, the release of its Side Ledger Protocol software development kit, an alpha version of its Solar Metaverse, a completed core audit of its blockchain framework, a beta version of its NFT marketplace. These are only a few of several objectives. For the remainder of 2022, Solar will enable a governance module, issue its first grant, and launch the Solar Launchpad, among other goals. Solar expects that with rising popularity, other projects will choose Solar as their settlement layer and deploy their own decentralized applications. Therefore, the Solar Launchpad will offer several features that benefit token holders and fledgling projects. A listing fee for each new decentralized application, ranging from 10 SXP to 1,000 SXP. Optional KYC and audits of new projects. Burning of transactions fees and listing fees on the Solar Launchpad. Solar plans to launch its own metaverse and NFT marketplace that integrate SLP features and allow creators to sell digital collectibles. Solar also promises the creation of worldwide quests, mint passes for AMAs with celebrities and influencers, and the creation of additional dApps. The metaverse and the NFT marketplace will also contribute to Solar's deflationary dynamic by burning SXP for transaction fees. The Side Ledger Protocol, SLP, allows users to create fungible and non-fungible tokens on the Solar blockchain, similar to the ERC standard on Ethereum. This will be possible thanks to the Solar Wallet and the Software Development Kit. Sending SLP tokens on Solar will be as cheap as 0.2 SXP per transaction. Fungible or non-fungible tokens can be created for only 5 SXP. Solar introduces a deflationary dynamic to its ecosystem with this function, as sufficient activity would mean more SXP is burned than created. Solar is trying to revive a long-standing project with an interesting take on all things currently en vogue in the crypto industry: NFTs, metaverse, and launchpads. Its consensus mechanism and blockchain architecture look sound and should square well with the increased awareness for carbon-neutral blockchains. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you are still here, please go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. Also check out our website and Twitter. Links in description. Thank you for watching.